We have recently released a big new update with the Nexter theme. To check this new feature, you can go to Appearance, Nexter Settings, and hop over to the Security tab. Now you will find a new option here called two-factor authentication. So this authentication can be useful if you want to protect your website. So let's click on Enable, go to Settings, and as you can see that we have given options that which users have the two-factor authentication. So in most cases, like, you can keep it for all the admin because it has the maximum power of your website. So you can suggest that all the admins who are accessing your website, they need to have a 2FA code to access it. We have also given the option to customize the email completely, which the user will be receiving with the 2FA code. But for now, let's keep it safe and see that how you can add the 2FA setup. Let's close this, and this is enabled. Let's go to users and we'll select this account. Now here you will see that we have multiple modes. We have given email based authentication, we have given app based authentication, which is the time based, where you can use Google Authenticator, or if you use a password manager like 1Password or Bitwarden, you can also use the inbuilt time based OTP. Next is the recovery code. Like, if you don't have the access to your email or the Authenticator app, then you can use this recovery code to access your website. So like, you can click generate recovery codes and you will have a set of code, and like whenever you want to access your website and you don't have access of both of these, then you can use the recovery code. Let's have this enabled, and let's also set up the Authenticator app. For email, you just have to ensure that you just have a perfect SMTP so that all the emails land in your primary inbox and they don't land up in spam. So make sure that you have a SMTP. We suggest that you can use Fluent SMTP. For Authenticator app, you just have to copy this code, okay? And like, for example, I use Bitwarden, so I'll be pasting this key here. Let's go and edit, and I'll add the OTP here. So this is just like as simple as when you scan with your Google, the same thing, it works here. Let's click this copy, submit to verify that I have the access to this code. Alright, so now I have the setup to my Authenticator app, and you can ensure that which one you want to use as default. So for now, I'm keeping this email. Let's update profile, and let's go back to our admin. So I've now logged out. This is the custom page made with Nexter. Let's click on access my account and hit login. So you see that now it's asking for a code which will be here in my email. Let's refresh. So okay, so here's my email code. I just have to copy this and paste it here. So this is my email based authenticator. Same thing we can also do with app based authenticator or the Google Authenticator. Let's click here, login. Since my default was email, so email will be coming, but you can also select that use your Authenticator app. Okay, so now I'll go to my Authenticator app and I'll copy my 6-digit code. I'll copy this and hit paste. So now I'll have the access to the website. Similarly, you can also use the recovery code.